Hey guys, so I just wanted to spread a little light today, and I know that this week has been a lot with George Floyd being murdered, and he has now been in our memory for the whole week, and I wanted to talk a little bit about what's going on. So I almost didn't want to upload today because I was just not in the mood, and I want to spread light. So on today's video, instead of doing the whole I can't breathe thing that people have been doing, first of all, let me say, if you're not a person of color and you've been doing that, it's not spreading awareness, it's a way to get clout. And that man and these people did not die for you to use your platform for clout only. I think that is very insensitive to use somebody's last words on your face and to get more followers. So I am not going to be doing that, and I know people are kind of shook by the fact that I won't be doing that, but I don't think it's respectful at all. So I'm going to be highlighting some Black owned brands and also Black collaborations in makeup brands. So for example, I'm going to be using the Patricia Bright makeup face palette that has bronzer and a blush and highlight in it. Now, Revolution Beauty is not a Black owned brand, but they collaborated with someone that is Black. You get what I'm saying? And then I will also be using the Fenty foundation, which has Fenty's name, which is Rihanna, who is a Black woman who owns the brand. So does that make sense? So let's get right into it. We're going to be doing a whole lot. I won't be talking through this. I'm just speaking my truth before I start the video. So thank y'all. Love you so much. Let's get into it. hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like it, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!